Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at the Sony 50-150. This is just another piece of evidence that we as photographers, as videographers, have never had it better. This is a portrait length, focal length zoom lens with a wide f2 aperture. Not 2.8, but f2. This is the first time we've ever seen a full frame lens with an f2 aperture at these focal lengths. Obviously we've got 28-70s from a couple of different manufacturers, and we've got the 35-150, but that's an f2 to 2.8, but this is a constant f2 aperture throughout its entire focal range. Now, it is a bit larger than you might be used to, especially if what you're used to is something like this. This is the 70-200 G Master version 2, and they are right about the same height, but there's a significant difference in the width of them, and this one's a little bit on the heavier side. I'm gonna set that down gently so that it doesn't roll off the table. And there. Yeah, so a little bit about this lens. We have 4 motors in here, 4 autofocus motors in here to make it nice and fast and snappy. We have a smooth zoom ring. It's all internal zoom. There's no extension here, so if you're balancing this on a large gimbal, then yeah, you're not really gonna see the camera dip as you zoom in and out. We also have a clickable, declickable aperture ring, which is somewhere down here. There's the click, but the click is very sort of muted, which is still fine. And obviously, if you like to control your aperture from your camera, you certainly can do that. Flip it over to A and you've got your aperture controls wherever you've got them programmed up to. This is an absolutely fantastic lens. You get incredibly sharp focus as well as beautiful micro contrast throughout the entire focal length and pretty much throughout the entire aperture range as well. In terms of what you might use this for, yes, portraits, obviously you've got that 85, you've got that 135 focal lengths in there. You can even, open it or zoom out to that 50mm and probably even use it for small groups as well. But where I think this is really going to shine is going to be sports photography. If you're doing something indoors like volleyball, any of the indoor athletic sports, then yeah, this is going to be a great lens. Even if you're close up on the sidelines for certain sports, then this is going to be great outdoors as well. You're going to get that amazing separation that you're going to get from that extra stop of aperture. So yeah. There you have it. The Sony FE 50-150 GM. I thought there might be more letters than that. There usually is. Nope, just the Sony FE 50-150 G Master. And it's available right now on our website, the LensPal, where we do rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you found this helpful or informative, or if you'd just like to see me struggle with micro contrast, then please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Sony's social media team are saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.